Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Both compounds are 4-methylcyclohexane, 1-1 derivatives. More precisely, they appear to be 2-methyl or 4-methyl cyclohexanes with 2 stereocenters. Each molecule has 2 stereocenters, C1, bearing H, adjacent to carbonyl, and C4, bearing methyl and H. Moving on to the next step. In compound 1, the H at C1 is on a wedge, coming forward, and the H at C4 is on a dash, going back, with methyl also configured at C4. In compound 2, the H at C1 is on a wedge and the methyl H arrangement at C4 is inverted relative to compound 1. This means the two compounds differ in configuration at only one of the two stereocenters, C4, while C1 retains the same configuration. Moving on to the next step. Epimers are a specific type of diastereomer that differ in configuration at exactly one stereocenter when 2 or more stereocenters are present. Since the two compounds differ at only one stereocenter, C4, out of 2 total stereocenters, they are epimers. And for the final step, enantiomers are non-superimposable mirror images that differ at all stereocenters. Here only one stereocenter is inverted, so they are not enantiomers. While epimers are technically a subset of diastereomers, the more precise and specific term here is epimers, option C, which is the best answer. Regiomers, constitutional isomers differing in position of a substituent, do not apply here since both compounds have the same connectivity. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.